Hello everybody, this is my Western Electric 3A payphone. It's the last payphone that Western Electric made. And it's also known as a ECPT. Some documents reference it as a electric coin public telephone or electronic coin public telephone. And that's because instead of a mechanical totalizer for the coin tones, there's actually a circuit board inside here that generates the coin tones. And it also was designed to take Susan B. Anthony dollars. However, the coin slot on these prototypes, the slot doesn't allow you to put a Susan B. Anthony in there. However, if you take it apart, you can put the Susan B. Anthony down the coin chute. I will show you that later. There's some information from a guy known as Jim S. on classicrotaryphones.com forum. He says he knows one of the installers that installed some of these in Colorado. These were only field tested in northern Colorado and northern California, and there was only about 400 of them. 200 were in California, 200 were in Colorado. The Colorado ones, instead of black, would have a gray top here, or a light gray top. So I actually have this hooked up to my VoIP ATA. This is a MP202. You'll see if I go off hook, line 1 there is lights up. And when I dial out on my VoIP ATA, I have my Asterisk box hooked up and actually modified to take coin tones. So for instance, if I place a call right now, it'll ask for 25 cents. I'll let you guys hear that. Hopefully you can hear this dial tone. Alright, so that's that. Now let's open this guy up, and I will show you what happens when you put a Susan B. Anthony down it. Alright guys, I'm going to drop a Susan B. down here, and hopefully you'll hear what the coin tone sounds like.